friends, I parked here. This is sports car beside this cartoony car. Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back my channel with a new hand drive video. Friends, today I have many color combination and different types of toy vehicles really arranged here. All are nice and beautiful color combinations. Now I will hand drive one by one all of these toy vehicles with my hand. So wasting any more time, let's go. At first is a DS Tarzan car. At first I parked here my first toy DS Tarzan car. This is very nice and realistic model car. You can see this color. This is yellow, black, blue and silver color combination. Next one is here a four-wheeler jeep. I also parked here this four-wheeler jeep beside this DS Tarzan car. This is very nice red, black, yellow, white and green color combination. This nice four-wheeler jeep. This one is a cartoony drum truck. I parked here this drum truck. This is very nice and colorful, and this color is pink, paste and purple color combination. This nice cartoony drum truck. Now I will drive a cartoony model car. Let's go. Oh, I parked here this car beside this drum truck. See this car, this is red, black and silver color combination. This nice car. So friends, one by one already 4 vehicles hand drived and introduced with you, and you can see all are serially parked here. And now I will drive this next one, sports car. Oh friends, I parked here this sports car beside this cartoony car. This is a realistic model sports plastic car. You can see this color. This is a yellow, blue, red and paste color combination. This nice car. This one is a cartoony model elephant car. I parked here this elephant car beside this sports car. See this funny toy elephant car. This is red, white and yellow color combination. This car. This is the last one is here a police bike with a police. I also parked here this police bike with a police. This is very nice red, yellow and pink color combination. This nice bike with a police. So friends, one by one all of these toy vehicles hand drived and introduced with you. All are serially parked here. So friends, I hope you are surprised with this video, and if you surprised with this video, you will subscribe our channel. Tata, bye.